Is your Ford F-150 making weird noises, smelling like exhaust fumes, or just not performing like it used to? You might be dealing with an exhaust leak, a common issue that could turn serious if left unchecked. An exhaust leak on your F-150 doesn't just make your truck louder, it can reduce fuel efficiency, hurt engine performance, and even allow toxic fumes into the cabin. The most common places for leaks are the exhaust manifold, gaskets, mid-pipe joints, or rusted-out mufflers. Over time, heat and road conditions can crack or corrode these parts. Not sure where the leak is coming from? A simple trick is using soapy water or a smoke machine test. When you rev the engine, bubbles or smoke can help pinpoint the exact spot. Fixing the leak might be as simple as tightening bolts or replacing a gasket, but in more serious cases, you might need to swap out an entire section of the exhaust. Don't ignore that hissing sound or drop in power. Catching an exhaust leak early can save you money and keep your F-150 running strong. Got an exhaust issue on your Ford? Drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more F-150 tips and fixes.